Hello, I am preparing my turkey today for tomorrow's family gathering. I am getting ready to wash it down and put it in the oven bag and in my big roaster that I showed you all yesterday. I'm also going to be cutting and prepping all of my vegetables. I'll show you that little bit of a process as well too today. And so here is my turkey. I showed you all that yesterday. And I am taking it out of the bag. Oh. My little kitchen shears. And yes, I did clean and clean. And those are the giblets. And I am going to clean down my turkey. I've never had a fresh turkey before. This turkey was slaughtered on Sunday from a local farmer, and I just happened to win that turkey, and I am excited. Let's see how a really fresh turkey tastes once it's cooked. Looks like it was well picked and plucked and cleaned out. To spatchcock this turkey, which means I'm supposed to take a bone out in the back side of this turkey, and I'm not exactly sure how to do that, but I'm going to give it a try. It's a lot thicker than I thought, so we'll figure it out. So here is the bone that you take out of the middle of the turkey. It's my way of spatchcocking. It is the best version I could think of. It is out. And then you split it the rest of the way down. Because what's going to happen is the turkey will lay flat. This is how the turkey looks on the back side after the bone has been taken out of it. And that is how you spatchcock a turkey. Ooh-wee, I'm so excited. turkey well seasoned in the seasoning bag, and it is about ready to go on for overnight. Well, here I am chopping up my vegetables for my dirty rice. Yes, my vegetables have already been cleaned and washed. I have red, yellow, and orange peppers. Here they are. Peppers are all done. Now on to the onions. Onions. As you know, this is food prep for our family gathering. I need onions for my greens, for my squash. And I think I'm going to go throw some over into my turkey. I had to wind up taking the turkey out of the bag because it did not want to work right inside of the roaster. So part of the bag stuck to the roaster. You learn something new every day, and I'm going to tell you, I've never cooked a turkey before. This is a first for me. So the turkey came out of the bag, but it's still going to cook all night in the roaster. I did put some chicken broth down in the bottom of the roaster, and I may need to add a little more. Therefore, I'm going to have to throw some more seasonings into my pan. So onions will go in that in the turkey, and so I'm cutting up extra onions today. Yeah, in fact, this onion that I'm cutting up now, I am going to put that. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and cut up all these onions, and then some will go into my squash, and then some will go over into my greens. There you go, onions. Now to peel the yams, and I got quite a few of these to do. Oh, don't that look pretty? So what I'm going to do is just peel the outside of them and then slice them. And as I did one other video when I showed you about all of my other vegetables, this is my favorite paring knife. Now that my yam is all peeled, I'm going to remove this bag out of my way. We'll take it and slice it like this. And no, I do not have a slicer. So I am doing everything the old-fashioned way. And yes, I probably should have this on my cutting board, but I am tired. I do not feel like standing, and I've been having a massive headache all day. So sitting is probably the best thing for me to do today. And actually, I'm getting done a lot faster doing it this way than I would be standing. And I actually can gauge how thick my yam is. And yes, I'm being very, very careful. If an actual cook saw me doing this, they would not be happy. But here are my yam slices, and I will continue on with the rest of my yams. All cut up and ready to be cooked. Ooh, I'm feeling really excited about this, although this is a lot of work. It's been a while since I did all this kind of cutting up for entertaining people. But you know what? I know my mama is going to be so happy. I might even do another video tomorrow morning showing you all the food that's being cooked. Let's see. See you in the next video.